Hello friends, welcome to SRS by tutorial. I am Somiranjan. In this video, we will discuss about classification and biological importance of lipids. Lipids are heterogeneous group of water insoluble compounds. They soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, ether, chloroform and benzene. They are composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen like carbohydrates but poor in oxygen. They are small molecular weight compounds. Example fatty acids, fats, oils, wax. Lipids are classified into three types. Simple lipids. Simple lipids are ester of fatty acid with alcohol. Fats, wax, and cutin are the example of simple lipids. When simple lipid attach to an additional group, it becomes compound lipids. Phospholipids, glycolipids, lipoproteins, sulfolipids are the examples of compound lipids. Derived lipids. They are derivative or hydrolyzed substances of simple or compound lipids. Fatty acids, glycerol, prostaglandins are the example of derived lipids. Simple lipids are classified into two groups. First group is fats and oils. Fats and oils are ester of fatty acid with glycerol. Triacyl glycerol is one of the example of fats and oils. The triacyl glycerol consists of 3 molecule of fatty acid ester with 1 molecule of glycerol. The second group of simple lipids is wax. They are ester of fatty acid with alcohol other than the glycerol. Compound lipids are classified into four types: phospholipid, lipoprotein, glycoproteins, and sulfolipids. Phospholipids are composed of fatty acid, glycerol or sphingosine, phosphate group, and an alcohol attached to phosphate. Phospholipids are again classified into two types: glycerophospholipids and sphingophospholipid. Glycerophospholipids are composed of fatty acid, glycerol, phosphate, and an alcohol group attached to phosphate. Plasmogen is one of the example of glycerophospholipids. Sphingolipids are composed of fatty acid, sphingosine, phosphate, and choline. Sphingomyelin is one of the example of sphingospholipids. Lipoproteins are composed of lipids and proteins. Low density lipoprotein and high density lipoprotein are two examples of lipoproteins. Glycoproteins. They are composed of fatty acid, sphingosine, and sugar residue. Glycoproteins are classified into three types: cerebrocytes, gangliosides, and globocytes. Cerebrocytes. They are composed of fatty acids, sphingosine, and glucose or galactose as sugar residue. Galactocerebroside and glucocerebroside are two examples of cerebrocytes. Gangliosides. They are composed of fatty acids, sphingosine, hexose residue, and sialic acid. They are found in ganglions. Cerebron and nervon are two examples of gangliosides. Globocytes. They are composed of fatty acid, sphingosine, and more than one hexose or hexosamine residue. Lactosyl ceramide is one of the example of globocytes. Sulfolipids. They are also called sulfated glycolipids. They are composed of fatty acid, sphingosine and sulfated galactose. Galactocerebroside 3-sulfate is one of the example of sulfolipids. Derived lipids are classified into fatty acid, ketone bodies, eicosanoids, steroids, alcohols. Fatty acid is a monocarboxylic acid with long hydrocarbon chain. In biological system, fatty acids usually contain an even number of carbon atoms. Palmitic acid and stearic acid are two examples of fatty acid. Ketone bodies are ketone group containing water soluble molecules. They are produced in liver by breakdown of fatty acids. Acetoacetate, acetone, 3-hydroxybutyrate are examples of ketone bodies. Eicosanoids are a class of molecule that derived from polyunsaturated fatty acid. Most of eicosanoids are derived from arachidonic acids. Prostaglandins, prostacyclins are two examples of eicosanoids. Steroids are derived from a common four-fused ring structure called cyclopentano-4-hydrophenanthrin or steroid nucleus. The steroid nucleus consists of 3 hexane ring and 1 cyclopentane ring. Cholesterol, bile salt, vitamin D are examples of steroids. Alcohol is an organic compound that carries at least one hydroxyl group bound to saturated carbon atom. Glycerol, sphingosine are examples of alcohol. Biological importance of lipids. Lipids are important dietary source of energy. They provide about 25% of the energy to the body. They act as reserve fuel of the body. They stored in the adipose tissue in the form of triacyl glycerols. Phospholipids and cholesterol are the structural component of biomembrane. They serve as thermal insulator in subcutaneous tissue. They also serve as electric insulator in neurons. They act as padding material around certain internal organs. They provide protection. Steroid hormone and prostaglandins serve as cellular metabolic regulators. Vitamin D, steroid hormone, and bile salts are synthesized from cholesterol. They help in absorption and transport of fat soluble vitamins. They act as lipotropic factor to prevent formation of fatty liver. They improve taste and palatability of food. Thank you.